Good morning, children. Now this is 7th class social studies. We are in the ninth lesson. What is that ninth lesson, children? Production in a factory, a paper mill. So, children, I said in the previous lesson about the use of paper. So, what is the use of paper? We are using paper in different works. For example, we are making test books, register books, progress report, next answer papers, question papers, etc. Okay, children, even currency also, paper currency. Okay, so these all papers are making in a mill. Okay, do you know, children, this is coming from wood coming from trees. What trees are useful for making of paper? I said important three trees. What are the three trees? Bamboo tree, mulberry tree, eucalyptus tree. What are that? Bamboo tree, mulberry tree, eucalyptus tree. So when bamboo trees are extinct or bamboo trees are abundantly cutting by the forest area tribal people, the government encouraged the farmers to farm or grow subabul. What is that? Subabul. What is the tree name? Subabul. First one bamboo, second one is subabul, third one is eucalyptus. Okay. So now the government is encouraging to grow the subabul trees in the farmlands. For that, government to giving loans by the bankers, etc. Okay, children. Now I want to say about the paper making procedure. How many stages are there? In which stage? What are the particular work being done by the workers with the help of machine, crane, etc. Okay, children. Now look at here. I wrote 5 stages of the paper making here. What are that one? 5 stages of the paper making. Okay, children. So paper is coming from wood. Wood coming from trees. What are the 3 kinds of trees? I repeat once again. What are that? Here, subabul tree, eucalyptus tree, bamboo tree. Now, famous tree is subabul. These subabul trees are growing by the farmers in our Andhra Pradesh and some states. Okay, children. So after cutting off the subabul trees, they are loading into the lorry. The lorries are bringing from the field or farmlands to the factory area. That all lorries are waiting for their charge. 2 gates are there. For one gate is workers and the gate is for vehicles. That means lorries. So when the lorries are coming to the factory area, they are in the track. Okay. Now one crane will taking all goods from the lorry to and it will put in the conveyor belt. What is that? Conveyor belt. Next listen, children. Here paper making. So crane shifting the wood or trees from the lorry and it put upon the conveyor belt. Okay, children. So now here different stages are there. These all stages the wood cutting by machines. Okay, children. So the first one is chipping. What is that one? The first stage for paper making is chipping. In this chipping, what happened? In this chipping, the large wood cutting by the machines into a small chips. These are the large woods. They are cutting like this. Okay, into a small chips. After one lorry cutting of chips will take 30 minutes of time, children. So now once you imagine, the workers also working, 15 to 20 workers also there in that particular area. So their duty is cutting the wood into a small chips. Okay, with the machine. So here machine is doing important role with the help of mankind. That means workers. Okay, children. So this is the first stage. Second stage is making of wood pulp. Okay, when the wood is cutting into small chips, The next stage is making of wood pulp. Okay. Next one, it will goes into fiber line. So after this wood boiling, so after boiling, they will add some chemicals of this wood or pulp. Okay, children. So now these chemicals and this pulp is grinding a big or vast vessels. What are that? Large vessels. So now listen, children. These pulp, that means wood, and they will add some chemicals. Okay, they will goes these all pulp along with chemicals into a large vessel. In that vessel, it will grind. Okay, children. So next one, pulp after stage is thin fiber. Okay, children. So it will come as cotton fiber. Next one, they will making this one into liquid pulp. Again, they will add some chemicals. Okay, children. So when they will add some chemicals again, what happened here? We can see that all pulp with chemical mixing, it is a large creamy object. Okay, children. It is a large creamy object. Next, children, what is the third stage of this making of paper? The third stage is spreading the pulp. They will spread the pulp upon the area. So when they are spreading the pulp, how? Screens. Next one, cylinder. The next stage is cylinder. Next stage is they will measure the width, length and thickness of the paper. Okay. When they are spreading these all creamy pulp or wood mixing with chemicals, different kinds of chemicals, and they will dry up. Okay, children. Next, fourth stage is pressing and drying and rolling. When they are spreading like a thin sheet, okay, they will measure the width, length, thickness, etc. What happened the next stage? Drying. What happening? Drying. After drying, they will rolling. So they will roll the paper sheet. Okay. So when they are rolling with a smoothen one, and they will dry up that all sheet. Okay, children. Now we can find the sheet of paper. A large sheet of paper will be appeared after drying of this paper. Okay, children. So this is the next stage. What is that next stage? Fourth stage, children. Next one is, last one is fifth stage. When they are spreading this all wood or pulp, when they dried up this one, it is made as paper. It is a large one. So now they will cutting. So they will measure and they will cut this all paper. Okay. So cutting paper in a size, in a particular size. How much size we need, they will cut. Okay, some big one, some medium one, or some large one. Okay, for suitable size, for making of test books, files, registers, progress cards, etc. etc. We know. Okay, exam papers, bulletin papers, etc. Next one, children, they after cutting off the paper in a particular size, they will roll this paper as sheets. Next stage is packing, children. So after cutting in different size, they will pack these all papers in bundles. Okay. So after stage is they will send these all bundles of paper into the godowns. So this is the last one, children. Okay. Godowns. Next to working batch. So these are the 5 stages of paper making, children. What is the first stage here? Chipping. Second stage here, making of wood pulp. Third stage here, spreading the pulp. Fourth stage here, pressing and drying and rolling. Last stage here, cutting. Okay, children. So this is the continuous process of wood. Okay, children. Now look at working batch. Batch means they will receiving the lorry load and they will write down some kinds of batches. That means they will give numbering. Today's, tomorrow's, yesterday's, day before yesterday's. So each one they will giving numbering. 200 number, 202, 201, 199 number. So each one will be given as number. Okay, each stage that work is doing continuously with a disciplined manner by workers with the help of machines. Okay, children. After the last stage is binding, and they are sending to this paper into the godowns. Okay, children. So here from bringing the load of lorry at the finishing time is sending godowns to the paper. So these are the 5 stages of making paper, children. Okay. So this is a daily process, everyday process. Every day lorries are coming and unloading the this one subable trees. After they are cutting, after they are sending to the next process, after they are sending to the next process. Okay, so these 5 stages they will make the paper. These all wood. That means the wood became paper. After making paper, they will cut down and they will bind it. Next they will send to the godown. So that is the paper making stages, children. Now look at here once again. Pulping machine. Look, children, pulping machine, fiber line. So this is the pulping machine, children. So it is a big one, because large quantity of paper is making by the workers with the help of machinery. So here machinery is running by water and electricity and workers. So the three are very important one for making of paper, children. Look at, children. So actually it is outer appearance. If you want to see particularly, we must take the permission of the concerning management of this company or mill. Then only they will allow you to observe these all things, what are the stages for the paper making, etc. They may give permission or they may not give permission, children. Okay, so that is about paper making, children. Next, children, look at here, labor at chipping machine. So this is the chipping machine. The first stage is chipping machine, I said already. Okay, so in that chipping machine, what the labor doing here? You look at here this picture. Labor at a chipping machine. Okay, so this is the machine. The large subable trees cutting by the machines. Next one, look at the second picture here, children. Laborers at setting machines. So they are setting machines, children. These are the labor. They are setting machines, children. Okay, for cutting and for remaining process. So here chipping, the first stage, making of wood pulp, second stage, spreading of the pulp, third stage, preserving dry and rolling, the fourth stage, cutting is the final stage. Okay, children. Now look at here, lorry lifter is unloading the wood. That means crane is unloading the wood. Look at from the lorry. Okay, so this crane will apply these all wood upon the conveyor belt. So now the conveyor belt is taking this wood into the machinery. The machine will cut the wood as small chips. Okay, children. So that is the procedure, children. Okay, children, I shall teach you the remaining lesson in next class. Thank you.